Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Today was a really amazing day over at the Dollar General. Several categories of items from winter hardware, brown dot, black dot, blue dot, red triangle, old food stuff, and then old penny items that are going back on the floor. Everything just kept populating. So it was like, fishing at a trout farm, and I was able to find a whole lot of stuff. Big shout out and thank you to Christie's Connections and her team for all the visuals that they have been working so diligently on. You ladies rock. And I just want to show this again. So for those that are just really confused, you have to look for precise barcodes, precise like that red triangle, the blue dot. You have to look for very specific items in the store. You just can't grab whatever and hope and pray it's a penny. You got to be precise. I have a video I'm going to link at the end. It's called Dollar General Game Changer. If it rings up 0.00 at the till, it's going to be a penny. And I went to both updated and non-updated stores, and everything rang up for a cent today. And I think I got about 150-ish items. First store I went to, here's my haul. I skunked out. The manager there lives to remove those pennies, and man, she delivered this morning. There was nothing in sight. I mean, if I probably spent 2 hours in there, I probably could have found one, but it was very difficult to find anything, guys. So first store, I got nothing. And I just wanted to share that because, I'm usually like, here's 150. I didn't even sweat. Yeah, there was nothing there. And I just want to be honest with you guys. Like sometimes it doesn't always work out, and it's just part of the hunt, part of the game, part of everything. And the second store I went to, I ran into another penny shopper. Really nice lady. I actually met her a couple of times. She's a very serious penny shopper and excellent at it. She actually gave me like 15 of her items, which she didn't have to do, but she was just so kind. And thank you. And then I went to another store and I found these and I wanted to share them with her, but she never showed up. And I waited like 20 minutes for her after I paid for everything. So I'll keep one in my car for her if she's watching this video. I got you covered for one of those because we were talking about these and how we thought it was such a great product. And yeah, there it is. So what I'm going to do, guys, is show you a bunch of pictures of what I found and then where I found it specifically in the store. This is the sort of penny list that people went really hard for, but I still think you could find stuff. Everything is always a possibility. Okay, so the first item that we're going to talk about is the winter hardware, and it's just 2 items that I found. The first one was in the as seen on TV section, which is kind of bizarre, and none of the ice scrapers for your windshield were included this year, which was really bizarre. It's always been included in the past. But this is the guy. It's just a cover to put over your windshield. It's called Weather Forced 360. See how it says as seen on TV? So I think an employee was like, oh, I'll just put it there. And I think I found 7. I gave one to another shopper who was like, what are you doing? So I just was generous today. And then we have one of these Prestons. It's a de-icer. It's like liquid in there and you just throw it on your windshield. In the frigid winter, and here is the UPC, and I found that at the front of the store just with like on a table at both stores, which is weird. Now you're going to have to look for these on a end cap with the other bags of the Dunkin' coffee. This was part of the Friday penny list, and everything is the penny till they reset it. If you look at these flavors, hazelnut, vanilla, and then there's a Colombian one. At the very bottom, it says 12 ounces. I'm going to show you a little close-up. And this is the bag that you're looking for, that it's right center, exactly like this. Because if you're looking at many of them, you'll be able to pick it out very quickly. And here's the UPC. There it is. There's $1 off to digital coupon as well, so it'll give you some overage for another item. It's only $1 off. And to let you guys know, all of these coffees expired. I think one of them's good in May, but the other one's like expired last like March or something like that. It's been in the clearance event the last 2 times, so I could see why this one specific item pennied out. But I think you can probably put coffee in your freezer and it's fine. So, I mean, I found 7 today. I was very, very happy about that. But a high commodity item, I think at Walgreens, it's like $11 for one of these bags. So, yeah, happy to find as many as I did today. And then right at the register, see where that is? We have the Starburst gum, and you guessed it, 1 cent. I would also look for this guy, where they have the summer foods like the grilling, and they have that one aisle of just like, here's all our stuff for summer. I found it there as well. So I found 8 of them today. I think I found altogether 16 since Friday. So I've been finding a lot of these. And then the Jolly Rancher sour lemonade stand, a penny. I found this on an end cap. I found 3 today, so I was very happy about that. And here's the UPC. So definitely keep a couple of these on the back burner, and if you have a moment, I would look for them. This is a very old penny, the Adams Lemon Extract. I never found one last winter, and I finally found one today, and an employee put it back on the shelf with all the other food. So I don't fully understand that, but I'm happy. And I found that a couple of times today, just like old pennies put back on the shelf. And then we have these women's cozy socks, and they are a red triangle, and you guessed it, a penny. So couple of those, very happy about that. And as the week marches on, probably these will be cleared out very quickly. And then we have this wall decal for, you guessed it, a penny. So if you're scanning some of these barcodes at home and it says 0.00 with like 5 in stock, I would get to the store tonight to look for them. Now I'm going to let you know there's a little $2 sticker pack. Here they are. These are all still full price, so they did not penny out. I could not find the one that pennied. Maybe you guys can let me know. And I found a ton of them at many stores, and I was like, I wish these were a penny. No such luck. So such is life. And then I thought I found the Easter like mother load of these cute little chicks. They were all $3 each, so they all stayed at the store. And then a little bit of Christmas. This was full price, a massive flask for $20. That also stayed at the store, full price. For this specific company, that's called Mission Ridge. They have a gray dot, and you guessed it, 1 penny for these men's jogging pants. So I mean, a nice cozy pair of jogging pants goes a long ways in the middle of winter.
So like, look at this crevice right here. That's all penny items that fell in this section, like with all the yellow dots, but like crevice. Let's see how many I get. Like, look, that's a penny. That's a penny too. On the floor. I don't know if that's a penny. No, it's a yellow dot. And these there. These hair things, I think they're pennies too. That's not a penny. What else is here? No, that's not a penny. That's super cute. And this might be. And I don't think this is. I will get it. Be right back. It's like all pennies. Using my stupid methods, but like this is totally worth it. And it's all like stocking stuffers, you know, cute stuff. I'm looking for stuff with the blue dot. I'm finding a lot of that. So pretty exciting.
If you do a lot of Easter baskets or stockings for the kids, like these are just bread and butter little items. And a lot of them I just found exactly one, but I'm still very grateful for what I found. And honestly, that little section where they had the yellow dot and blue dot, if your store does the same thing, I would definitely pull the display out from the bottom, like all the stuff on the bottom shelf, to see if things fell, because I found like probably 10 penny items down there, and like I was really looking. And blue dot, really some of the cutest items part of this penny haul. I mean, look at this little llama and a sloth hugging a little change purse. I mean, I think my niece will love it. It's just a little girl's change purse, and it's just adorable. So we're looking for blue dot, really have a decisive eye. A lot of the yellow dot items, they look very, very similar. So you really have to open up that Dollar General app, scan every single barcode. Don't leave anything to guesswork, because you absolutely don't want to pay full price, do you? And then I was very lucky to find 10 of these. Shout out and thanks to the Geeky Banana Saves. She was really excited by the blue dot as well, and she was talking about like, you know, you need to go through everything, and like specifically these sort of containers that might have a blue dot on it. And even though there's a bunch of hand sanitizer that's full price, you might find like a keychain in there or something. So definitely it's worth looking through. And I did that, and I found, I think, 10 of those hair ties, and that's going to make a perfect stocking stuffer. You know, I just think it's absolutely adorable. So here's the UPC. This adorable little panda journal, like, I mean, come on, it's just so cute. And you guessed it, 1 penny. And this goes till they reset it, and it might reset next week. It might reset in 2 months from now. So I would get to the store and look if you have a bit of free time. And this little kid's Mickey Mouse, it's for a little boy. My nephew's going to look adorable in that. You guessed it, 1 penny. So there's nothing better than that. And then I did find a couple women's hats. I already gave one away. And then I kept this one for myself. It was all bedazzled, but I took the bedazzling off. But I like the camo. I love camo, that pattern. I don't know what it is, but lately I think it's pretty cool. And here is the UPC. Have these little pens, and they have like a little poppet at the very top. And make sure you're really paying attention that you're not grabbing yellow dot by accident. But they are so, so cute. And, you know, if you like to play with those poppets, it's a perfect little pen. The big Barbie pen with all the different colors at the top. I only found 2 of these, but very grateful to find 2. And here is the UPC for this guy, or this lady, but just all the different Barbies on it. Very, very adorable. I found 1 brown dot, which is this like 4-count shot glass thing. I don't know, 1 penny. It looks fun. So here is the UPC. I think it's just kind of silly. But everything in that brown dot line is kind of like, you know, fun Christmas stuff. Now, I also did find some really old pennies from last winter, and they started showing up back on the shelf at the store, which was really bizarre. The Papermate, you guessed it, 1 penny. So be on the lookout for this guy if it just randomly shows up on the shelf. Lemon extract too was really bizarre, and then I found a ton of Christmas stuff. And then this pain reliever was right in the clearance section. I found 3 of them, which was odd. And yeah, so I found some really old pennies as well today. I would head out to the Dollar General ASAP, guys. It's a lot of fun when you can get a table full of stuff for like, you know, under $2. Good luck, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.